movement on there, which I'm afraid our cameras missed. Mascherano looks like he's been sent off here. Amidst all the confusion, it was very difficult, having not seen the incident, to see what had gone on. Maybe we're about to see something here, I'm not sure. This was the injury which had led to the stoppage. Some water thrown. Mascherano on the stretcher. I presume he's reacted to that. Seemed to be some water thrown at him there. Clearly angry before he steps off the stretcher. A red card flourished for whatever his misdemeanors were. Clearly got on the wrong side of the referee, and maybe his assistant on that side who had the better view before it all really got rather angry amongst the benches and several other players. Mascherano has been sent off, and it's 2 red cards in 2 qualifiers after Higuain went in the game against Colombia last Friday, and the Argentina bench absolutely furious. There was a bottle of water thrown at Mascherano which started all the problems. Argentina tempers are still frayed, and still they're trying to get to argue with the officials down there. Ecuador bench trying to stay out of it now. Rojas meanwhile has gone off. He's been replaced by Anangono. Well, the clock may well say nearly 90 minutes, but